future of industry. How does it look like? We have the digitalization stepping forward and a huge potential with AI today to improve processes, to rethink processes, and the idea is to talk about it.
Really to give the most concrete examples as possible and really work solution based. I don't think we need a podcast where we're just discussing things away.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Mikey and this is Martin. He's the founder and managing director of coac. And we're super excited because this is actually the first series of our new interview podcast called AI and the Future of Industry. And since we're just going to kick this off today, we actually thought we wanted to introduce a little bit the rationale behind why do we even feel the need to establish such a new podcast. And what it is about, what is the mission behind actually addressing the topic of AI and, like we said, the future of industry. So wanted to ask Martin, because it's actually his brainchild, he just asked me to be on board. Tell us a little bit, why did you feel the need? What was really the why where you were calling me up and say, listen, we need to talk about this topic urgently now?
Yeah, I mean, it came really up when we recognized that we're surrounded by industry in Germany. Especially the chemical industry is really, here in Germany, very strong, and no one is really talking a lot about it. Also not about the background and the topics, that are really in that market. And at the same time, we have the digitalization stepping forward and a huge potential with AI today to improve processes, to rethink processes. And the idea is to talk about it, to talk with you about it. So I'm very happy that you're on board. And to also welcome guests here, experts in their fields, to exchange and to really push that topic AI, forward, the future of industry. How does it look like in 5 and 10 years?
Fantastic. Yeah. And this is something that you guys are already concerned with, right? So with coac, which you founded 8 years ago, you are enabling the digitization of the industries you just mentioned, chemical industry, pharmaceuticals, you guys working a lot with. Can you tell us a little bit what you're doing there? Maybe giving 1 2 concrete examples.
Yeah, in the end, we are data people. So really working in the area of data analytics and also artificial intelligence and human-machine interaction. We call it today, so digital interfaces. Mm-hmm. And what we basically do is we bring in transparency to the data, that the companies have the right data available and with a good quality, basically, so that they can really use that data to make business critical decisions, to move forward in the area of sustainability and many other topics.
Is this the biggest problem that you've encountered? That the data is somehow, we can put it maybe bluntly, like plainly, swooping around the company and there's no system behind it? Is that it?
I mean, the companies are have very strong processes, right, and established quality management systems, and that's really the strength, I think, also from especially German industry. But what is difficult to achieve is really to have a powerful analytics platform on the one end, and then the possibility to use that data in context with AI, so that you really have machine learning models that can use it and that can bring value to it.
Can you give 1 concrete example just so you can visualize it a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I mean, what we are looking into currently especially is really on the one side the raw material area, so the exchange of information in the value chain and the supply chain. Also all the regulation that is happening between all the different corporates here. And the second example is really the engineering, where we're talking about equipments, especially in brownfield area here in Europe. How can we basically generate trustful master data for equipments, and how can we get transparency and to reduce costs in operation and construction?
Super, thank you so much. What can we expect? What are the next weeks going to bring us in terms of content? What is on your wish list?
Yeah, I mean, it's a journey, I think. Yeah, so I'm really excited to go that journey. But I think it will be a lot about AI. We will talk about processes, possibilities. We will have different guests here. And we will talk about security also. We will talk about Europe and IT infrastructure. Really, I think very interesting topics where we can think all together about what then to put into focus. Yeah.
Yeah, and if I can add, I think the most important for us, which we've been discussing a lot before, is really to give the most concrete examples as possible and really work solution-based. I don't think we need a podcast where we're just discussing things away.
Yeah,
you know, this is really supposed to be doing deep dives into discussing certain questions at an in-depth, while answering the questions that I think a lot of people are concerned with at the moment, while not really being able to, bring about really tangible solutions.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, really looking forward to this. I hope you guys stay tuned. And we're happy to do this and hope to see all of you in the discussions and start the discussion, enable a discussion, and hopefully create some value and knowledge add in a way to this important topic.